Being isolated and in a remote area, sometimes the opportunities are not available for our kids, like to experience different things for a longer period of time. So the school board has a database of artists and things that they pick from, and sometimes we don't even get to pick who comes to our school. They just send someone, and that person is usually only here for like an hour, 2 hours maximum. With this project, the great thing about it was that they just spent 6 weeks here, gave the students more of an opportunity to experience things that they would not.
What I did was a 6-week theater performance workshop and helped the kids here do a presentation at the end of the 6 weeks.
She taught them how to project their voice in a way so that everyone could understand and hear. She taught them movement, a little bit about being less self-conscious.
One of my goals was to incorporate their history through their personal stories. What we did is we did some theater exercises, we talked about performance. Two groups were very different, and one had a whole play that they constructed about the history of Chevery, and the other group had more personal vignettes of their time in Harrington Harbour.
Angela's project in 2018 was a haiku book with haikus, photos and drawings created by our students. Multiple grade levels and teachers were involved from both schools. Angela spent 1 to 2 classes per week with each group, teaching the different forms of Japanese poetry. Our students became very proficient at creating haikus thanks to Angela.
I taught primarily Japanese short form poetry, but some of the other students were quite talented as writers, and I was really happy to have met a couple of very exceptional students that I hope I've managed to get them a little further along the path toward writing.
It was a celebration in each school where students and Angela shared what they had created with the community. It was an amazing project that was enjoyed by students, teachers, and I thank Angela. Hopefully we will get to continue with this project into year 3.